know what's going on right now. And right now we're at school, but we're heading over to the Meerkat Cafe. And the Chinese name is called
肉球森林.
Yeah, so we have a reservation there at 4:30, and you're going to see some cute animals. Follow along. So we're walking over, and the Meerkat Cafe is at Dongmen. So if you want to go there yourself, you can go to Dongmen Station.
And the exit is 6 and 7.
Yeah, 6 and 7 exit, and we're walking over there right now.
Okay, a small reminder that the man just told me that we cannot make any weird voice to the cats, like acting how they speak or like using like the sounds, because they will got scared and jump on you and scratch on you. There's a woman who like acting like a cat's voice when the cat is on the table, and the cat just jumped on her and she went to the hospital. So make sure you don't do that in this store.
So here's a little tour of the area. So this is the entrance. They have a gate to prevent like the cats from going out, and they give you like a spray of alcohol when you come in. And then coming here, this is like the playpen for the meerkats. So later in an hour, the meerkats are gonna come out and they're gonna stay here, so we can like play with them over here. And yeah, and behind you is like the seating area. So we can sit here, and some of the meals are already prepared. And then there's this like photo booth area, so you can like sit here, and if there's a logo, you have a background, it's a photo booth area. Yeah. And then here's the area where we are sitting. So like there's like a comfortable sofa to wait, but we're all just sitting here kind of waiting for our meal. And then in the back here are the big birds, the toucans, I think they're called. So they have their own area. And there's two toucans over there. And if you want to reserve to interact with them, you have to like text them through iMessage and then tell them in advance that you want to interact with them. Yeah.
It's a cat.
Have a matcha latte.
我们喂的话会喂面包虫啊、大麦虫跟这个杜比亚蟑螂。那像回家的话，他们也会吃一些可能水煮鸡肉、水煮鲑鱼，对，就是他们都吃。
我看网络上说他们会钻口袋。
哦，对，因为就是他们在野外的话是钻沙土，他会去掏找虫子吃。那所以就是说进来的话，它有这种习性，它就会想掏我们口袋。其实也不止口袋啊，你任何有洞的地方它都喜欢，像是你的肚脐、你的鼻子、你的嘴巴，它都爱。
真的、哦？
对，它会整个鼻子戳进你鼻子去闻，或者是用手把你嘴巴扒开，看有没有东西。
其实它爪子很长。
但它爪子其实不会到很尖，就是你们有去摸过就会知道，它不会像猫咪的爪子一样会去勾到你啊、刺到你。那像太长的话，它们也会自己去修、自己咬。
它的前爪比较长，
对，前爪比较长，因为它们需要掏东西。那它们的话，两只啊也会帮对方理毛，因为我们是从小一起养，然后它们两只虽然不同胎，感情就很好。那加上它们本来就是群居动物，那它们群体性也很强，所以家里啊，就是老板他们有养猫咪，然后之前有养兔子，是都可以合得来的，只要饲主好好照顾的话。
他们原本栖息地是在
南非。 对，还有卡拉赫里沙漠，对，主要就是沙漠地带，所以他们是比较会怕冷。
这是老板娘自己。
对，所有动物包括狐獴、猫咪跟巨嘴鸟都是同一个饲主。对，
好厉害。
然后都是从小带大。
Hello, I'm Flora, and you just watched us going to the Animal Cafe. And yeah, I think in general it was pretty fun. It's important to remember some things like don't yell at the cats there. They have really strict rules, and it's all like really quiet there. So if you're looking for like an atmosphere where it's all quiet and if there's cute animals roaming around, I think it's the perfect place for you. It's like in a little corner of the city, and like it's a nice place, a nice like peaceful place to kind of take a break, to be away from everything. And yeah, it was pretty great. And we forgot to film an outro, so this is the outro. And I highly encourage you guys to go and experience for yourselves. The cute animals there are really adorable, and it's all like, and I really like the atmosphere there. So I think this is one of the best cafes I've ever been to. And also, this cafe is called Paws Forest. So in Chinese, it's 肉球森林. And all the location and the links will be linked below. And yeah, go visit, experience it for yourself. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We are What's Going On Right Now, a part of BAS Radio. And yeah, bye.